I am Dr. Pompey Ghosh. Today is presenting about fungal studies on some medicinal plant of West Bengal. Fungi are some mycorrhizae which are producing arbuscules within the host rootlets cortex, and these are the structures presented in the slide. And these are the all other structures inside the rootlets and outside the soil. These are the some structures. Microalgae are very important to the environment and the host plants also, and these are some important importance such as they are helpful in improvement of plant nutrition, absorption of macro and micronutrients. They are helpful in drought and salinity tolerance. They also help in soil aggregation by producing glomalin. They also help in suppression of soil-borne pathogens. Again, they are helpful in reclamation of degraded lands, obtaining water in dry condition, and also helpful in tolerance to heavy metal and soil salt. They actually help in many ways to their host plants to produce chlorophyll content, protein content, and also enhance photosynthesis to produce more carbohydrates. Actually, plants need so many things, that is macro and micro nutrients instead of air, water for their growth. And here, some fertilizers are written, which are needed as minerals for plants. So, mycorrhizae, as they help to contain many of the micro and macro nutrients from the soil. There is a need for research in improving the quality and quantity of drug and other crop products and relatively shorter period and at lower expense by using fungi. I am working in southwest Bengal, and here the forest is mainly dry deciduous forest where water level is not very good. So mycorrhizas are very essential to drag out water from the dry soil to their hosts. And here in this forest floor, so many valuable medicinal plants are present, and also so many tuber crops also present in this forest floor. So if we use mycorrhizae for the plant growth, it will be a very good research and for future event. These are some spores present in the soil collected from the southwest Bengal. And so I lastly said may or can come to conclusion that biofertilizer being essential component of organic farming play a vital role in maintaining long-term soil fertility and sustainability. It mobilizes fixed macro and micronutrients or convert insoluble phosphate in the soil into available form, thereby increases their efficiency and availability. In context of both the cost and environmental impact of chemical fertilizers, excessive reliance on the chemical fertilizers is not viable strategy in long run, as M is easy to handle and need no synthetic media for mass production. It may be incorporated as biofertilizer in present day scenario. Thank you.